Hi, I'm Chase Paul, and I will be using a aerator sled, which is really good, to jump that ramp and hopefully not break this sled or any of my bones. Hope you enjoyed the video, and today is the 21st of 2016, January.